In the interest of increased login security, Zephyrx has created an option for organizations to require email-based multi-factor authentication, or MFA. For an organization requiring MFA, providers creating their account will be prompted upon registration. Should an organization require MFA after provider accounts are already set up, existing users will be prompted at their next login. We'll now demonstrate the MFA login flow. First, the provider will enter their username and password and hit login. The provider will then receive an email at their registered email address that includes a code and a link. Providers have the option of clicking on the link, which will automatically log into the dashboard on a new tab, or they can copy the code, return back to the previous tab, paste the code, and hit submit. The provider is now logged into the dashboard. Each dashboard session should end with the provider logging out. The system will prompt for MFA at each login. MFA can be enabled or disabled at the organization's request at any time. To request MFA for your organization, please reach out to your Zephyrx contact or message us at support@zephyrx.com or by calling 888-452-6269. Thank you.